Well, boys and girls of the YouTube world, I have officially gotten a P.O. Box application. Had some people asking. I went here to the post office and it's President's Day. I didn't have a clue. So that's news to me. I had no idea it was President's Day. My bad. But I'm gonna work on that. Once I get this P.O. box, people can start sending me stuff. The only reason I'm doing this is people have requested it. I have had numerous emails, people asking me if they can have somewhere to mail. And I've sent my address out to a few people, made some mistakes there, my bad. But yes, on other news, I got some stamps, some freedom stamps. And we've got some stickers that are going out. Trying to send out these batches for free. So yeah, we'll go from there. I'll keep you guys in the update. This is not a typical video, but this is what I'm doing. So yeah, there you go.